A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are going to start activity 8 of lesson number 9. Activity 8 is basically a multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. As you all know that multiplication means repeated addition. One way is doing multiplication of a fraction with a whole number is one way is this. And another way is multiply the whole number with the numerator of a fraction and the denominator of a fraction you have to write as it is. Clear? So we will use the second method. So let's start activity 8, first part. Activity 8 is multiply. As you all know that we are going to do the first part, that is 3 into 3 by 4. So whole number is 3. Now you have to multiply the whole number 3 with the numerator of a fraction, that is 3. So 3 3s are 9 and denominator will come as it is. So answer will be 9 by 4. Clear? Now we do the second part, that is 2 upon 3 into 7. How you multiply? You have to multiply 2 with 7, means whole number with the numerator of a fraction and denominator you have to write as it is. So answer will be 14 upon 3. Clear? Now we do the third part. It's a 3 into 4 upon 5. So whole number is 3. Multiply with the fraction numerator, that is 4. Divide by 5. Answer will be 3 4s are 12 upon 5. Clear? Now we do the fourth part, 5 into 8 upon 9. So you know that whole part is 5. 5 you have to multiply by 8 and denominator you will write as it is. So answer will be 40 upon 9. This is the answer. It's a simple question. Similarly, we do the fifth part, that is 8 into 7 upon 11. So you write 11 as it is. Denominator is 11, so you write as it is. Whole part is 8. Multiply its numerator of a fraction. When you multiply it, answer comes 8 7s are 56 and denominator will be 11. Clear? Now we do the sixth part, that is 10 into 4 upon 9. Now numerator you have to multiply with the whole number, means 10 into 4 and denominator should be 9 only. So 10 4s are 40 upon 9. Clear? Now we do the seventh part. In the seventh part you will see that number is given 7 upon 13 into 26. Clear? Now 7 you have to multiply by 26 and divide by 30. So 7, when you multiply by 26, 7 6 are 42. So 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 8. So answer will be 182 by 13. Clear? Now 182 and 13 you can cut. Clear? How? If you divide these two numbers, you will get the answer, because answer will come 14. Because 13 ones are 13. So 18 minus 13 will come 52 and 13 fours are 52. Clear? So answer will be 14 only. Now we do eighth part, that is 3 upon 4 into 5. Here we will not do cutting, because numerator when you multiply with the whole number, answer comes 15 upon 4 and 15 and 4 does not come in one table. So this is your answer only. Clear? Now we have done 8th part. Now we do the 9th part, that is 10 into 6 upon 50. So 10 into 6 upon 50. So 10 6 are 60. 60 upon 15. Now 60 and 15, both the numbers come in one table. So you divide these numbers. So 60 and 15, when you divide it, your answer will be 4. Clear? Now we do the last part, that is the 10th part. 6 into 4 upon 5. 6 fours are 24. Divide by 5. Answer will be 24 upon 5. Now see, one is a even number, one is a odd number. So these two number does not come in one table. So we can't do division here. So you stop here. Clear? Now student, activity 9, that is a word problem. Here the first question is given. Rohit spent 1 upon 3 of his money on food. Means how much money he spent on a food? 1 by 3. And how much money he spent on books? That is 1 by 4. So we are talking about the money here. So the statement will be start from money only. Money spent on food, then money spent on books. Then you have to find what fraction of a money did he spend in all. All means you have to do plus only. So how we do? You have to write like this manner in a copy. Rohit spent dash all. Then solution you have to write like this manner. Money spent on food 1 upon 3. Money spent on books 1 upon 4. Then total money spent 1 upon 3 plus 1 by 4. Now see, denominators are not same. What you do? You will find out the LCM. How? 3 and 4 you write like this manner. Then you see in which table 3 come. 3 come at 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 table 4 does not come. It will be copied down as it is. Clear? Then you will see 4 comes in which table. Now everybody say ma'am in 4 table, but we will not take 4 table because 4 is a composite number. We always take a prime number which does not come in any table. So we take a 2. 2 ones are 2 table, 4 come at 2 twos are. So you write here 2. Again 2 comes in 2 table, so you write 2 again. So LCM will be 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. Now you write down 12 over here. Now see this 3 and 12, because denominator you have to divide. When you divide 3 and 12, answer come 4. So what you do? What the answer come of first fraction, you have to multiply its numerator. Means 4 ones are 4. So here come 4 plus 4 table 12 come at 3. So its numerator you have to multiply by 3. So answer come 4 plus 3, that is 7. So fraction will be 7 by 12. Then you write a hence line. Hence total money spent is equals to 7 upon 12. Clear? Now we do second part. Thus given, Manu bought 2 by 5 meter of a ribbon and Sonal bought 1 by 2 meter of ribbon. Who bought more ribbon? Now see, Sonal bought half meter ribbon and she bought 2 by 5 meter. Means who bought more than other one? That is Sonal only. So we have to minus from the biggest one. So half is more than 2 by 5. So how you write a line? Ribbon Manu bought 2 by 5 meter. Then ribbon Sonal bought, that is 1 by 2 meter. Then who bought more? Half is more than 2 by 5 meter. Keep this thing in mind. So Sonal bought longer ribbon than Manu. How much? 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5. Here again numerators are not same, denominators are not same. So you have to find out the LCM. 2 and 5. Now you see in 2 table 2 come at 1. 2 table 5 does not come. It will be copied down as it is. 5 table 5 come at 1. So LCM will be 2 5s are 10. Clear? Now you write this LCM down in a denominator because denominators are not same. So now this 10 you divide with the first fraction denominator. 2 table 10 come at 5. So 5 ones are 5. So here you write 5. 5 table 10 come at 2. So 4 2 2s are 4. So here come 4. So 1 by 10 meter. Then you write a hence line. Hence line is the last line. Hence Sonal bought longer ribbon than Manu. How much? By 1 upon 10 meter. Clear? Now we do a third question. Jyoti completed her maths homework in 1 by 6 hours and she completed her science homework in 3 by 10 hours. You have to tell how much time did she spend in all. Again all means you have to plus them to complete both the work. So you write time taken to complete maths homework 1 by 6 hours. Time taken to complete science homework, that is 3 by 10. Total time taken 1 by 6 plus 3 by 10. Then you have to find out the LCM 6 and 10. 2 tables 6 and 10 both come. 2 table 6 come at 3s are, 2 table 10 come at 5s are. Now 3 and 5, you will see firstly 3. So 3 comes in 3 table, so you write 3 table 3 come at 1s are, 3 table 5 does not come, it will be copied down as it is. Then you see 5, 5 comes in 5 table at 1s are. Now what do? You have to find out the LCM. How? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So LCM will be 30. Now you write a 30 down in a denominator. Now first fraction you have to divide with 30. 6 table 30 come at 5s are. So you have to multiply its numerator by 5 only. 5 1s are 5 plus 10 table 30 come at 3s are. So you have to multiply 3 with 3. So answer come 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. So answer will be 14 upon 30. Then you write a hence line. Hence line is a total time taken is 14 by 30. Clear? Or you can divide 14 upon 30 by 2 also, because both the numbers comes in 2 tables. So answer 14 by 30 is also correct, and 7 upon 15 is also correct. Both are correct answers. Clear? Now we do question number 4. I bought 10 packets of snacks. Each packet weight 3 by 5 kg. Means one packet weight is 3 by 5 kg. You have to find the total weight of 10 packets. So how you write? We are talking about the weight only. So we start the statement, weight of one packet of snacks is 3 by 5 kg, and weight of 10 packets of snacks is 3 by 5 into 10, because when we find many we always do multiply. So how you do multiplication? You have to multiply the numerator of a fraction with the whole number. So 3 into 10 is 30. Divide by 5, 30. When you divide by 5, you will get 6 kg. So the weight of 10 packets of snack is 6 kg. Clear, student? So students, today you learn how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Means whole number you have to multiply by the numerator of a fraction, and denominator of a fraction will come as it is. Then you have done word problem on the behalf of a fraction. Means if there are written all, it means you have to do plus only. And for plus you have to see if the denominators are not same. You have to firstly find out the LCM and then do the process as we have done in activity 6 and 7. And when there is written who ate more pizza and who has done more work, by how much, in this type of question we always do minus. And when they said how many packet one is getting more, so in that case when you are moving from one to many, you always do multiply. So keep this thing in mind and you are able to do the word problem of fraction. So thank you and have a nice day, students.